Costs are rising. Skilled workers are hard to find. And disconnected systems make it impossible to track time, materials, or margin in real time. If you can't see your operations clearly, you can't control them. Modern manufacturers juggle complexity, from batch variability and custom BOMs to pressure for faster innovation, tighter compliance, and traceable cost to product alignment. Legacy systems weren't built for this. DyFlex's manufacturing package, powered by SAP S/4HANA Cloud, brings real-time control across finance, supply chain, and production in one scalable platform. Track costs down to each job. Manage R&D, BOMs, and batch variability. From simple assembly lines to complex project builds, everything's covered. Whether you manufacture at scale or build custom, SAP supports every model: repetitive, process, discrete, or project-based. DyFlex brings deep industry experience and local implementation expertise, helping Australian manufacturers modernise without overcomplicating. Ready to build smarter? Book a no-obligation demo and discover how DyFlex and SAP can transform your operations.